feel strength. I just love to the world in intellectual.
Want a good feelings.
You know, as we said,
You know you have a
out
solid
of
youth
music, out of
beside
reggae
you.
music, nearly 30
Someone who
years
you
for the
can
past
talk
few years
to.
now. You know, up rehearsing, you know, putting back the whole works together, getting the things, you know, where it's supposed to be.
And we're there for Bomba. You know, manifesting.
Manifesting a
Ask you
car.
about a few questions and talk about the whole journey. You see it?
You see
Yes,
it?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Rastafari.
876 music. Come on, look out what going on.
You don't know this shit representing for 876 music, you see me? And right now, we have intellectual danger. You see me on the platform today. So I go on intellectual danger.
Greetings in the name of the Most High, brother.
Manners and respect, bro.
Each and every time.
Rastafari.
Unity to the world, you know.
Yes.
Love to each and every one.
Each and every one out there. Yes,
You know,
sir.
because of the key to knowledge, you see.
Well, no, man. As they say, intellectual danger. Oh, you get that name, intellectual danger.
To be honest, I will tell you as it is. Four mix radio station in New York, DJ. I do 2 dub for them a few months ago. Yeah. And I did daddy danger.
Well, no, man.
What I have back from teenagers that come from liquor danger.
Yeah, it is
But,
evolve.
you know, man, I grow, so, you know, the liquor come big, so, you know, daddy danger, so till, you know, radio bridge in New York now.
Pick up the bridge in there.
Yeah, you know what DJ feel, you know, power mix radio station, mega mix bad sound. Yeah, respect due to them man because, yeah, them man they make I name publish, you know, a good scope around the world right now. You see?
It is right.
Yeah, big up to power mix radio station, DJ feel, they see it every time because, yeah, make the name establish why they see it. So, you know, it's like, you never saw like the daddy danger. Yeah, so you say, alright. So him just literally just put on intellectual quality. And I just accept it because a two wise minds are work together.
Which is right.
Yeah. So, you know, if I virgin literally come up with the thing and the things are so verse, get with it because, you know, it put a great emphasis on it. Yeah. And, you know.
So the next question I'm gonna like to follow up on. Where the I come from and I represent right now where they are global unity, same country. I represent for the community same there. But where you represent?
Wolverine, right? That's it.
Yeah.
Wolverine community, right?
Straight.
I sit on yourself, yeah.
Yes, sir.
By property, by ownership, everything.
Yes, sir.
So here are my origins, my community, Wolverine district. Yeah. But you know, still have 10 acres of property in a Pigeon Valley in the district of the Woods. 10 acres of farm with whole heap of fruits and all type of things. You know, we don't see the struggles we have forward for a long while. So we are prepared for it. You see it? We are prepared for the journey because we know, yeah, we have to prepare for these things. Yeah?
So, next question to that, really and truly, as an entertainer, as an artist, as a creative of the arts, you see me? As they say, you till the side.
Yeah. And from the side, I give a great inspiration, you know.
So you can make your tune them based off of experience.
Yeah, and it teaches you to be so humble in an eye setting because, you know, farming make you patient. You have to learn to wait up on everything when you put it on the side.
Yeah, patience. Yes, man.
Yeah, so it's like I just use that right across the board in my life. If I have a patient and wait for the seed them, you know, becomes a plant and then plant them and wait for them to come to something that I can achieve from it. You know, you just look for life as the same. You just look for life as the same, you know, with everything. Everything. So, I know that the blessing, you know, are from the earth itself, you know, the dirt.
So, as I say, you get the inspiration from tilling the soil, and that come like say, yo, you build a song, and you have to nurture the song there, and make it become what it's supposed to become.
Just like how the plant itself, because it's a nourishment. And for many persons who in this whole music world, I'm wondering if each and everyone recognize that we are all comes from a teacher. to use the art of music to recreate life for people. We didn't have a voice until music. Black people use music and reach so far through music. Bob Marley, my icon. Bob Marley, my icon. We can tell the world right now, my dreams is to rub shoulder to shoulder with him in a music or surpass his standard in music because each person as a musician has the power to do that. It's not limited to no man. Yeah?
So the next question to that. The artists are a couple of artists where you free and them inspire you. One of them is would have be Bob Marley.
To be honest, no bias against no artist.
True that, no lie.
The one, the one who me really see carry the ammunition for truth, that it devastate the whole world, four corners clear, is Bob Marley. So, to be honest, no disrespect to the rest of my elders them, yeah, I'm a love my elders them. You see the trend with Peter, send Bonnie, send, the whole of the virgins them done a tremendous work. But for
and the daughter them too.
and I go forward on to the daughter them now because the mothers them know reggae music. No, they are also a part of my trending because they are road models.
Right.
We see that they are standing up like man in the game. And if a reggae music, they are there for soul, they are there. And if a dancehall, they are there on great competition. It's a blessing for me. But what I
So, as may I say, the females them in the industry, we have to pick them up too, you see me? That's like Master Griffiths.
number one.
Yeah. Some good role, you see me?
Sacrifice great for the reggae.
Yeah man, and I like,
Mother reggae.
you see me?
Sacrifice great.
To each his own still, you see me? Because we don't say, yo, we emphasize on one side or highlight only, that's the music. So, you ever collaborate with another artist? You ever do a song with another artist?
Well, no in session where can't trust them. And we have a couple more great things right now to do something.
Which is right.
But as you say, it took for 3 years, after so many years from music, putting back this work together. And when you want sure. And then the world literally, kind of misguided to music. Many different genres of music and many other singers, and it's not everybody has said the truth. So the liars sell more and the disturbance sell more than the truth. You see? So, as I say, I kind of stick to the more, reality. Looking at the woman world, as I say, I love the works of the woman, brother. That can't be denied. Woman, them tremendous, brother. And for me, I love every genre of music. The only time me have problem with music is when it now educate the youth them to a better life. And us as teachers through music supposed to look and say, Jano, we get a platform where we can educate the youth them we are going straight, but we also be the one we are teaching to go straight through music. And it seems okay to some, but for me, I rather stick with the truth and the lie. I can't believe in help create the lie to be more true. Yeah, so I'd rather just stay in the truth.
Yeah, so basically, the type of music where you do and the type of music where you rather promote is what?
All the way. It's not for this great wealth or riches. It's a message. 22 years worth of hard book studies, and every day my eyes are set to 55 years. That's a lot of experience. And why not share it with the world? Why not show the world the things that I see through the lens of my eye? That if someone else already sees the same way, then we are witness to the world. Say, there are many people all about around the world that see and hear and know the same thing.
Alright, even one of them acapella there, one of them powerful tune there, where say keep the life from the intellectual. You don't have to do the entire song, man. Let's find one part and give it, man.
To all the world around right now, this song is not to say, you can't trust people. Because we all have to trust someone. Because no man is an island, But it still go like this, Can't trust them now. Can't trust them no day. Trust them no way. Them smiling at your face, but you throat before you wear. You just can't trust none of them. You can't trust none of them. Smile at you all the while, then kill your paradigm. You just can't trust none of them. And say that you and them are friend. Behind your back, them a lick you with a big old hammer sledge. And I say right, you know you be dead. But when we see that them a Jezebel, when we know that them a Jezebel, now follow them go a hell. Danger, now follow them go a hell. Hear what danger say? Loved ones, you know, but we say we can't do trust everyone because they won't smile in your face. But your throat before you wait. They must smile with you all the time, but they're willing to kill you for a dime. So, you know, we know say Mr. Trust is so trustworthy, so we have to be careful who we trust in Mr. Trust. Blessings again, you see?
It's right. It's right. I like that. I like that one day, you see me? And the positive message, right? That's what to say, you see me?
Yeah, man.
Link up with people, you know, but nobody trust. Or put the full of your trust in them, you see me? Because sometimes you yourself will put yourself in a danger because of the love where you have.
And them say love blind.
So we have to care.
So blind always follow the fool, go right to the fool mention and join with him. When the knowledge is hungry, follow the fool halfway. And save yourself. You see the knowledge? So it's still forward round to life, you know.
So our next follow-up question would be, would I like to tell me a little bit about the journey and the music coming up in our music?
Yeah, you know, start out on the journey. Many years ago, 14 years. Yeah, teeth, you know, from out of mama principle. When you reach back in the house, mama walk you the right way because boy, you rate your things not too bold now, rolling your daddy now, get up out of doing a night or you're there dancer. And you know, it also motivates us till, you know, kind of grow up older till we end up at trench town. So maybe that's the thing make me kind of have that thing with Bob Marley. So yeah, go learn the whole ball feel, you see it, and the ball game to everything. So being, you know, in trench town for, you know, whole heap of years, I know my youth, two of my youth, and my 6 grandkids are there. Yeah. And one of the greatest mystery to this, now you're dead and gone now, when you have another virgin died. And, you know, went to him still go do modern slavery.
Mm-hmm.
Modern slavery. In a Babylon, modern slavery. In a Babylon, the dreadlocks love his culture. Love of his golden rule, yeah. But through victimization and discrimination, modern slavery. In a Babylon, this song is 30, full 7-year-old, you know, brother.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Modern slavery, full 37-year-old. And because of them and them whole heap of fighting, whole heap of fighting and the bag of whole heap of problems, brother, I'm just get frustrated because I spend the whole heap of money and then, you know, be a draw down and be a fight against and just look on it, I have two youth them to take care of me and say, Jaja, I cannot take the youth them money and do this thing, I'm not seeing the result. So it's like we just choose me youth them over music, which we can't tell you now. Maybe we can't say my guess me maybe the rank, or maybe we're gonna persevere, you know, what could have happened.
No man, yeah, I really know firewall, because right now you still are persevere music, you know, music
Yeah.
we are doing right now. So yeah, come from them long journey there and still live on the journey right now.
Yes.
So you ever have like an album or a EP out there right now you have to get out?
Yeah, that's how the process we are now. That's how the process we are now. And one of the greatest gifts right now to this April I come. We have a big stage show for Portland, the return of the danger, intellectual danger for Portland. Check, you see it?
So just check out Yardman Stick because they play on Yardman Stick.
Yeah.
You see me?
So, you know, it's going to be an advertisement along the line. Yeah, but we have put a big show together in April at Portland. Where the world have to see intellectual danger again, in full blown colors. Come educate the world over again after 20 odd years of hard studies. Yeah, and I see that Jack create people be teachers of each others, each one teach one. But the negativity is what I see in the world make I get up back 3 years now and decide say I ever come help from paralyze this because this lack of moral in our music right now get too bad. It just come like the people and we are dead every day and that say and the youth them just a trip over just all type of stuff in this true music. And music I can say as an artist is one of the biggest contributors to violence. And I gotta tell the item that. I gotta tell the item that. I'm not gonna take back the time. Music is the greatest and one of the greatest influence towards violence, brother. You are
Even though it have a positive effect. So it have a balance. Sometimes it more off than on still. But yeah, music influence
honest,
the badness.
honest
Or
from
the
my
badness that
elders them,
influence the music.
from my elders them where really did I deal with music of truth, with a stamp out Babylon corruption and a pressure Babylon. These youth nowadays are writing by Babylon to be this corruption and then the truth
Get
under the
it.
carpet.
Yeah. Them hide all I choose. You see
Yeah,
me?
and we have to wake up out of
Man,
this.
tell the youths them bleach out them face. Them things are not right. And then now when you want to change up your thing now, you have to say, yeah man, watch them now. Jeez.
But how can you tell a girl which can are your mother, are your sister, are your dad? Because this is when we see the trend in the music. Them for come, what front of them and all these things. Them, you know, educate the youth them to morality, brother. And sisters who are do these things. They are tear down. That's why I say we are influenced, God influenced through music to our own people. The worse than the politician, them and the murderer, them, brother. I tell you. The words. Because we are more murderer, yeah?
We are trying to make a change right now.
We have to make this
We have
change.
to make a change. You see me? So, that's why you have the artist intellectual beats.
Yeah,
You see me?
Yeah.
Bring a vibration, you see me? We can teach and share, you see me? And don't say, yo, bring the positive energy there in your house. Play to intellectual games and
Righteousness we are playing upon the farm. Love, joy, peace, and happiness. The most of all of that, man. You have to try for us. Know yourself. You can't know yourself seeking material things. These people don't know we sell, keep on seeking material things and we are destroy the soul, which is our kids that coming behind us, brother. Who lives on and we are using more to kill the youths them. Life can be better than this. If you trust in yourself, everything be fixed. Life can better than this. Look in your mind every day, there's a trend you see. It's either right or wrong. Tell me what it cannot be. You got to choose the road to walk. Remember positive word to talk. Share now the blessing that come in on your brain by music. Stop underrate the place that you use it. Look on better life, educate the people to use it. Teach all the children and don't abuse it. That's just a blessing, And as we say, we are keeping it in our short, But I can say again, for people expect intellectual danger. And as I say, Portland will be the place, with all that is going to be said and done, I guess the world will see, we come from intellectual danger, yeah. And between the process of time, I guess, everything, the platform is set. This is a platform, so the platform will be here to highlight and demonstrate and put forth things, yeah. So bless up again to my people, unity, and again to my brothers and sisters in our music. We are teachers of the words. Our word must be pure and clean. The whole world depending upon Jamaica to take us out of this corruption that is coming down on the world. Because we feel to demonstrate the right true music like Bob did, Peter did, Bonnie did. I remember they beat Peter Touch many times over. he was defending marijuana. He said, if you burn down the cane, if you burn down the herb, you have to burn down the cane field. We see what word did there. It's not politics. Music is not politics. It's an education platform of people. Let us start educating the kids them. Bring back some people who lost and lose them soul by using the right effective word, my people. Jah depending upon us, holding us accountable for every word that lead any man astray, my people.
Yeah, right now we're there with the intellectual danger, you know, you see me? Manners and respect the bro. Blessings, you see me?
Love, unity to the whole world. Love, unity to the whole world. By the Most High, strength to everyone. Knowing that Christ is within. And if Christ is within, who are you? To whom thou worship, to whom thou praise. That's within. That which is in. Yeah? Rastafari again. Love and unity to the world, you know. That's all we really need, you know. Oneness. And if we can just live with a oneness, then I tell you, you know, it would have been magnificent generation. You see? I just love to the world, you know, intellectual danger again, you know. And as me said, for many years, out of music, out of reggae music, for nearly 30 years to the past 3 years now, you know, up rehearsing, you know, putting back the whole works together, getting the things, you know, where it's supposed to be.
Why we do now? 876 music. Intellectual danger. 876 music. Stop hide from the truth of music. You hide from the truth, you can't be a winner. You have to accept truth to be a winner. You hear that? Coming from intellectual danger. Last. Why we do now? 876 music. Intellectual danger. 876 music. Music. Stop hide from the truth of music. You hide from the truth, you can't be a winner. You have to accept truth to be a winner. You hear that? Coming from intellectual danger. Last.